Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a rear shock for a Volvo XC90 256 with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by lifting the vehicle and deflating the applicable air spring. Now, remove the applicable wheel and disconnect the electrical connector from the shock solenoid. Next, remove the lower shock mount bolt as well as the upper shock mount bolts. Now remove the old shock and we can start with the installation of the new Arnott shock. Now install the new shock into the vehicle and install the upper shock mount bolts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then install the lower shock mount bolt and reconnect the electrical connector. Inflate the suspension and reinstall the wheel. Congratulations, the installation of your new Arnott shock is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Volvo XC90 256 rear shock with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.